Practice flowing. So start with ikit or redonda, followed by alimpuyo. 1, 2, 3. Then combine it. Just play around. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to do? This is a kit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alimpuyo. 1, 2, 3. You can combine it. 2. 3. Okay, that's your first one. Progress. Practice this, kit again. And then alimpuyo. Now this time, try to add doblete. Doblete means double strike. Okay? So I'm going to insert it in any mode. It can be first, second, or last. Then what?
Iba, bahala ka na.
Okay, practice it. Get used to the muscle. See the next one. Another flow. So this time, I want you to practice it by adding basbas or adding patalbog. So flowing or patuloy. Then adding with patalbog. Bog, paikot, bog, paikot. Practice it, get used to it and muscle. Practice it. This is the master. Okay, see you in the next one. Procedure of blowing drills. So drilling with blow. Now practice it with single stay. Add it with power or speed. So this is blowing. Repeating it. Redown back. Back and redown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Circles. 1, 3, 4 circles. 2, 3, 4. Just hit, combine it with flowing, and 2, please include with a lot of foot. Okay, practice it, get used to it, and master it. See you in the next one. This one, flowing, learning how to flow, and then adding with patalbog. Patuloy, meaning fluid strike or flowing strike, and then patalbog. Hit the flip. 1, and do this. 2, hit. 3, 4. That, you got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, and then do it. Oh, 1, 2, tempo. Body. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 2. Practice it, get used to the muscle. See you next one. Last flow drills. This time will include flowing, patuloy, patalbog, and saksak. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, insert the task in any combination. Practice it, get used to it, and master it. See you in the next one.